Hey travel bloggers, my name's Millie. I'm a full-time content creator and I run a travel blog called Stay Wild Travels and an Instagram where I teach you guys how to grow and monetize your content. Today I'm going to chat to you all about Emerald by Travelpayouts, the tool that's completely changed how I monetize my blog and something that is especially good for brand new bloggers or more advanced bloggers who lack time. So what the heck is Emerald? Well, Emerald is a piece of script that you simply copy and paste from your Travelpayouts dashboard and place in the header of your blog. It's literally as simple as that and can be done in less than 60 seconds. Emerald then analyzes your content, finds monetization opportunities, and automatically places the most profitable affiliate tools, so for example, links or widgets, exactly where they need to be. It's basically like having an affiliate marketing expert working on your blog 24/7. Because I don't know about you, but having to go back and optimize content is one of my least favorite and most time-consuming tasks. As soon as I switched on Emerald, I started making hundreds of dollars more, and Travelpayouts actually have loads of great tools. But Emerald is one I always recommend straight away to my community members who haven't yet got to grips with a proper affiliate marketing strategy, because Emerald does a lot of the hard work for content that you've already put out there. One thing that I'm always super conscious of when adding anything new to my site is the impact it will have on SEO. As bloggers, we obsess over things like site speed, but the amazing thing about Emerald is that it has zero negative impact, and I know that for certain because I have checked myself. My core web vitals haven't changed a bit and I'm still scoring great on page speed tests. Emerald also allows you to exclude specific pages, customize which tools appear, and pause everything with one click if you need to. Plus, the dashboard tracks performance so you can see exactly how much Emerald is generating. So if you want a tool that doesn't just randomly add links, but strategically places tools relevant to what the readers are interested in, leading to higher conversion rates and more commissions, while still maintaining complete control, Emerald is definitely the easiest solution in my opinion. So I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, then you can find me on Instagram, and Travelpayouts are of course always there to support you too.